Welcome to Rediff Mail Enterprise. In this video, we will learn how to enable the Manage Quarantine feature and how to use it effectively. The main purpose of the Manage Quarantine feature is to prevent spam, spoofed, phishing, or suspicious emails from being delivered directly to the user's inbox. Instead of reaching the user mailbox, such emails are redirected to a centralized quarantine mailbox created in the format quarantine mailbox at your domain name. This quarantine mailbox is created automatically by the system and does not consume any user license. Now, let us proceed with the steps to enable this feature. First, log in using your admin email ID and navigate to the admin section. Inside the admin panel, go to Other Services and then select Manage Quarantine. On the Manage Quarantine page, you will see the domain name along with the Incoming Settings section. The incoming mail status initially appears disabled because no rules are selected. To enable quarantine, you need to select the rules that define which emails should be quarantined. The available rules include categories such as phishing, scam, spam, suspicious, virus, and others. These rules are automatically detected by the server to identify potentially harmful emails. You can select multiple rules by holding the Control key on your keyboard while clicking the required options. For example, you may select phishing, scam, suspicious, and virus so that any email matching these conditions will be quarantined instead of being delivered to the user inbox. You can also enable the option Notify Recipient Incoming Mails. When this option is enabled, the intended recipient will receive a notification email informing them that a particular message has been quarantined. If the recipient believes the email is genuine, they can contact the administrator to request its release. After selecting the required options, click on the Update Setting button. Once the settings are updated successfully, the status indicator will turn green, confirming that the quarantine feature is now enabled for your domain. After enabling the feature, you will receive an automated email containing the login credentials for the quarantine mailbox, including the username and password. To access the quarantine mailbox, open your webmail URL and log in the same way you would log into any regular email account. Enter the quarantine mailbox username and password provided in the email. While copying the password, please ensure that no extra spaces are included. Once logged in, you will see the quarantine box interface, where all quarantined emails are listed. You can open any email to review its details, including the reason for quarantine, such as spam filtering or spoof filter, suspicious. If you determine that an email is legitimate, select it and click the Release button. Once released, the email will be delivered to the actual recipient's inbox and removed from the quarantine mailbox. Please note that the quarantine mailbox retains emails for 15 days only. After 15 days, emails are automatically deleted from the quarantine folder. If you notice that emails from a particular sender or domain are repeatedly being quarantined but are actually genuine, you can prevent this from happening by adding the sender to the whitelist. To do this, go back to the admin panel, navigate to Domain Management, and select Domain Whitelisting. Here you can add specific email addresses or entire domains separated by commas. Once whitelisted, emails from those senders will bypass quarantine in the future and will be delivered directly to user inboxes. This is how you can enable and use the Manage Quarantine feature in Rediff Mail Enterprise to improve email security and control. Thank you for watching.